Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we shall see that how to identify those categorical variables which warrant controlling in subsequent analysis of study. And one-way ANOVA test will be utilized to measure the influence of categorical variables on variables of interest or dependent variable. Control variable is a factor that is held constant or limited in a research study. It's a variable that is not of interest to the study's aims but is controlled because it could influence the outcome. In social sciences, the studies are more often conducted in field settings, where it becomes impractical to control all the factors. Therefore, it is advisable to control demographic factors which are likely to exert an influence on outcome variables. One-way ANOVA test is used when data is collected about one categorical independent variable and one quantitative dependent variable. So this is the SPSS sheet in which one-way ANOVA test will be run. To do that, click on Analyze, followed by Compare Means, then click on One-way ANOVA. So in this, you have to select initially a categorical variable. So in this case, we will select experience and shift it as a factor in this blank space. And subsequently, you have to select one of the outcome variables, which should be our variable of interest. So we go for OC and shift that in this blank space as a dependent variable. Now click on OK. It will take some time before it is processed. Here you can see the result of one-way ANOVA test. In this table, we need to focus on value of F statistics, which in this case is 1.618. Now, how to interpret this value? F value is always used with P value in deciding whether results are significant or not. According to some of the guidelines, F value should be equal to or more than 2. In our case, it is 1.618, which is not meeting the laid down criteria. Moreover, significance level of F value as shown is 0.168. And we all know that values are considered significant only if these are equal to or below 0.05 level. Therefore, 0.168 reveals that F value is highly insignificant. Here we should conclude that since demographic variable of experience is not casting any kind of influence on our variable of interest, that is OC, therefore it needs not to be controlled in subsequent analysis of the study. Moreover, if it was F value was found as significant, then there was need to control it in subsequent analysis. Otherwise, our results would have been fraught with number of distortions. So here I come to the end of this tutorial, and I'll be back soon with a new video on some other topic. Thank you for watching.